Can you tell Mommy who the characters are on the wall? Who's that? Oh, you're going to name characters on the Star Wars sheets?
C-3PO.
C-3PO?
What's that?
Who's that?
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. The dark side, yeah.
That's a bad guy.
Yeah.
He's a bad guy. That's not a C-3PO. And R2-D2.
What does R2-D2 say?
What does C-3PO say?
What does he say?
What's the whoop? What's the whoop?
That's right.
What Darth Vader say? What does Chewbacca say?
Can you find Chewbacca on Caleb's wall up there? Where's Chewbacca?
Right there.
Go and touch him. Yeah, who else do you see?
That's Yoda.
That's Yoda. Who else do you see?
We have
Who's that?
that's the Ewok.
And who's this?
That's BB-8.
Mm-hmm. And who's that with the blue lightsaber? Who's that? Who is that?
That's Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker, that's right.
What's that?
Who's that? Is that Princess Leia?
No?
Who is it?
Don't know.
You don't know? That's Han Solo.
That's how Solo. What's that so good?
Oh, where's the stormtrooper?
What's it?
Yeah, who else do you see? Boba Fett
And Darth Vader.
and Darth Vader.
The Darth Vader is right there.
And he's right there, that's right.
It's right there.
And do you see the Death Star?
Right there.
Yeah.
This is the show right there.
Yeah. What's the Star Wars song?
Dun, 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 dun. It's a good show.
Yay, Jaina.